Hi traders, so I'm live in a trade at the moment and I'm just about to add another position. So I've got one position in down here and I'm going to add another position now, which I'll talk about in a second. Let me just get filled. Hold on. So I'm long. Stop loss. Right, stop loss put in. Right. So I'm anticipating a move up. And the reason that this scaled in position is because on this custom chart, which is one of the VIP charts, we have opened at a specific time. This is the current profile. This is a previous profile. We have got an area of demand being this dotted line here, which is a single print and a value area high and a point of control. And we got the edge of the ledge. So from just at this part here to here is the demand zone for me. Let me draw a block out on that for you so you can see a bit easier. I'll just draw that like that. So we've just come into this demand zone and I'm expecting us now to start moving upwards. I've already got a position in, which I said down here, which was after seeing us reject from this value area low. You can see we came down into Frankfurt open. So we've already got a position in from down there after seeing the rejection there. We can see on this chart, we opened just below value. We can also see on this chart, my absorption study trigger showing that sellers were getting absorbed by passive buy limit orders. We can also see a level of resting orders there as well. And we can also see on the VWAP chart the depth distortion. So we had exhaustion coming into this area, divergences. So I had multiple reasons to get long initially this morning. And then, as you've just seen, when another one of our custom study charts opens, we can use that for scale-ins. Or if you hadn't have traded this morning, you could have used this chart to get your first position in. So the way I set my charts up provides multiple opportunities to find validated supply and demand levels. Also, if I drag over from one of my other screens, the footprint chart, you can see this morning in Frankfurt, we had majority of buying taking place into the area of interest. And then we came into London Open, where upon London Open, we got the pullback into VWAP. Price was being held and then further continuation up. That was a quick glimpse at the footprint chart. Let's get that back over on my other screen. And as you can see now, we're starting to auction a little bit higher. It's going to be my stop loss 5 pips higher. Right, I'm going to get off this call now, but you can hopefully see an insights as to how I scale in another position. and my confidence is for taking the trades first of all this morning. Again, traders, it's Beneki from the Bankers Club. So just a update video on the one which I made a couple of hours ago, where you saw me get this scaled in position from here, having identified on this custom chart the area of demand. So I was able to get this scale in, and this lower position, if you remember, was from down here on this chart. Pinpoint accuracy. This position was literally 2 pips drawdown. I mean, how more accurate do you want to get, really? And now I'm at the point where I'm going to be taking profits here on both these positions, because I have just seen pop up on my absorption chart this red horizontal box, which is one of my studies, which tells me there is a large, significant number of resting sell limit orders sitting there, aka a potential supply zone. So for that reason, I'm thinking we might come up and test that area there where these investors are going to be getting filled. So I don't want to be messing about any longer than what I need to be. So for that reason, I'm just going to close out both these positions for good profit and call that a day. Not a bad start to a Monday. Hopefully you guys are starting to understand how beneficial using market profiles with my strategies and my calibrations can be in finding really tight areas of supply and demand for both entries and also exits as well. And with that said, I'm going to take my profits on these 2 positions, call that a day, and hope you have a wonderful day. And I will catch you on another video sometime soon, no doubt. Right, many thanks. Cheers, guys.